What are the benefits of eating cauliflower? Cauliflower, a versatile veggie Mayo Clinic health system. It's high in vitamins C and K, and is also a good source of folate, which supports cell growth and is essential during pregnancy. Cauliflower is fat-free and cholesterol-free, and it's low in sodium. A 1-cup serving contains only 25 calories, 5 grams of carbohydrates and 2 grams of dietary. However, rice can be high in calories and carbohydrates, meaning it will fill you up without providing you with many additional nutrients. Substituting cauliflower rice for white rice is a great way to get more antioxidants while reducing calories and carbohydrates in order to save room for other nutrient-dense foods. Aids in healthy weight loss. 1 cup of raw cauliflower has 2.14 g of fiber, which can help you manage your weight. Helps lower chronic disease risk. Is a low-carb alternative. Is nutrient-dense. Is rich in fiber. May slow aging. Reduces inflammation. Supports your body's natural detox processes. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe, support, and follow the AK1323 channel. You can watch different videos about cooking, technology, electronic,